Afternoon, friends. My name is Sagar Sawant. Today I am talking about the story An Astrologer's Day written by R.K. Narayan. In the last lecture, we have seen the earlier part of the story. So today we will see the remaining part of the story. So let's start. He had left his village without any previous thought or plan. When the astrologer was a young man, one day he had left his village suddenly, but there was no planning behind his left out. He was not thinking what will he do after leaving the village? How will he survive in the city or in the town? If he had continued there, he would have carried on the work of his forefathers, namely, tilling the land, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield and ancestral home. If he had lived there, he would have to work like his forefathers. He would have to do works like tilling the land, means preparing the land for sowing, living, marrying, and ripening in his cornfield. An ancestral home means he would have to go to his field when the corn is become mature. He would have to cut the corn and brought it to home. He would have to live in ancestral home, but that was not to be, but it was not happening in his life. There was something different written in his destiny. He had to leave home without telling anyone. So one day he had to left his village or home without knowing anyone, and he could not rest till he left it behind a couple of 100 miles. Means his mind could not take rest until he was not crossed at least 200 miles from his village. He would have to go away at least 200 miles, and then he would be free from any anxieties. In this way, he was thinking. To a villager, it is a great deal, but this is a very difficult task for any villager, as if an ocean flowed between. It is not easy to leave the village and to move to the city or town. It looks like to cross the seven oceans. If you left the village, then you have to cross the seven oceans, and then you can reach the city. So it is very difficult. She had a working analysis of mankind's troubles, marriage, money, and the tangles of human ties. When he was young, since then, he was analyzing troubles of man or troubles of human being, and he concluded that marriage, money, and the other complications, these were the reasons behind the troubles of any human being. Long practice had sharpened his perception. He had taken so many efforts to sharpen his judgments, to sharpen his perception, and after some years, he is able to achieve that kind of perfection. Within 5 minutes, he understood what was wrong. When he was talking with the customer, he would realize within 5 minutes what was wrong with the particular customer. How would he tell him or her? He charged 3 pies per question. Never opened his mouth till the other had spoken for at least 10 minutes. प्रत्येक प्रश्नासाठी तो 3 पैसे एवढी फी घेत असतो. When he approached customer, first 10 minutes he had taken all the information about that customer. For first 10 minutes she would sit quietly. She would not speak a single word. He would just listen carefully. And after 10 minutes she would have enough material to answer the questions of customers, and she would give advices. When he told the person before him, gazing at his palm, every day he was meeting with many customers. So he took the hands of customers into his own hands, and he was watching palm. He was watching their palm, and then he was talking. In many ways, you are not getting the fullest results for your efforts. A writer gives us the description how he is talking with his customers. Sometimes he asked them some questions, sometimes he made some statements. In this way, he is trying to convince his customers. So he told them that you are working hard, but you are not able to get good results. At this moment, 9 out of 10 were disposed to agree with him. At this moment, 9 out of 10 customers, they were totally agree with the astrologer. Or he questioned, is there any woman in your family, maybe even a distant relative, who is not well disposed towards you? Or is there any woman in your family, or is there any distant relative who is not feeling good about you and your family? Or he gave an analysis of character. After that, he would describe that character. He would describe that woman most of your troubles are due to your nature. Then he told them that all these troubles, all these problems are created because of your nature. How can you be otherwise with Saturn where he is?